Vikhyat Builders and Developers. Welcome to the Deccan heartthrob of India, the pride of Andhra Pradesh and the envy of other states, the land of riches and the ultimate destination of millions, Hyderabad. The city of dreams is now synonymous with sensational growth and has proved to be the true definition of success. Its aristocratic legacy of the past has paved way to be the technological hub of the present day. Famed in the country for its charmingly pleasant climate, the city of pearls over the years has transformed from its erstwhile imperialistic origin to its current technocratic supremacy. Amidst decades of almost unstoppable magnitude of hyperactivity and resounding business generation in globally renowned industry segments from business management, information technology, medicine, art, architecture, real estate, tourism, show business and international business, etc. Hyderabad, which can be aptly described as Hyperabad, witnessed and evidenced immeasurable growth and progress like no other city across the nation, and is world-renowned for attracting global software and business giants like Microsoft, Oracle, amidst national giants like Wipro, TCS, Infosys, and a galore of other eminent business and software conglomerates. Owing to Hyderabad's unequaled globalization and bustling cosmopolitan culture, this metropolitan marvel has phenomenally captivated and have drawn property investors from across the globe, leading to an acute condition of uncontainable saturation of the prime land, both for inhabitation and for establishing business. This indeed has turned out to be a major complication for potential residential property investors in Hyderabad, who are experiencing a pressing urgency to find options for residential inhabitation. A true battle of the common man for living. Land saturation led to a crisis-like situation for residential property investors in Hyderabad, where the value of the land is touching astronomically exorbitant prices, and precisely an own house in Hyderabad is the next big and best thing. Residential property around the outskirts of Hyderabad is always a distant proposition. Travel time to these places consumed not only time, but one has to encounter lethal exposure to toxic pollution as a result of long hours of multimodal vehicular transportation. But the arrival of Outer Ring Road made every distance near to Hyderabad almost a few minutes away. Haritavanam, developed and conceptualized by Vikhyat Infra Developers Private Limited, is one among a very few exclusively selected and prestigious residential home projects dreamily constructed and exquisitely designed to cater to the every need of a perfect modern lifestyle of the speed age. Just away from the maddening and bustling metropolis, but still very close to the city. The singular vision and primary objective of Vikhyat Developers is to imposingly conduct its constituted presence in delivering top-notch and high-value property management and real estate construction services to all its prestigious directory of patronizing clientele. Mission. The profound mission of Vikhyat is to ideologically devise to its prospective clientele value-added property management services to strategically ensure assured and guaranteed returns on their hard-earned financial investment. Route map. Conveniently located on the Hyderabad-Warangal highway. 45 minutes drive from Uppal Ring Road. 30 minutes journey from Secunderabad MMTS train. 10 minutes drive to Bhongir railway station. Located on the main peripheral of Outer Ring Road. Close to historical Bhuvanagiri Fort. Harithavanam is located on the Hyderabad-Warangal highway, which is already home to some of the prestigious names like Samskruti Township, that is Singapore City, Power Grid Corporation, Infosys Campus, Air Deccan Training College, Bhuvanagiri Fort. Harithavanam. Harithavanam is tastefully conceptualized to define true happiness. It is a spectacular world what beautiful dreams are made of. This stupendously enchanting gated community, amply spaced across 300 acres of picturesque landscapes, is an elegant amalgamation of enthralling green nature, strikingly combined with ahead-of-time's modernity. Home is where happiness is. Perfectly expands the mindfully engineered and breathtakingly masterminded Harithavanam, a flawlessly cardinal homing concept which embodies and boasts of the sheer pleasure-driven privileges and facilities to take the postmodern residential concept altogether to a lofty and subliminal standard. This aesthetically superior community presents elite homes designed and constructed with a pattern equivalent to up-to-the-minute global standard proposition, nestled amidst stunningly panoramic environs, richly replete with top smoothly wide roads, avenue plantations, children's parks and playgrounds, walking and jogging tracks, ornamental street lighting, round-the-clock security, and old-age homes for senior citizens make Harithavanam a priceless marvel among high-class and creamy de la creamy category of novel gated communities and a blissful dwelling paradise. Rejoice is a blissful haven. Mesmerizing elements of ecstatic magnitude which are ever known to captivate and enigmatically satiate the fantasy-oriented mind's imagination are all in abundant profusion here at Rejoice. Tranquility arising out of chosen comforts and liberal privileges are valued and practiced here so as to offer to live life to the fullest. Some of these privileged facilities are clubhouse free for members, swimming pool, lush landscapes, Temple Town, Roman culture, gazebos, conference hall, indoor games, gym, tennis, a basketball court, restaurant, Central Park, amphitheater, waterfalls, Center Islands, View Tower Security, pollution-free inhabitation, tranquil surroundings, health-inducing living style, invigorating the heart and soul in the lap of lush green nature, model advanced homes and recreational mechanism to unwind from the hectic stress and strain of the modern lifestyle. All of these make Rejoice a splendid resort-inspired perfect living. Live to love. At Rejoice, love to live.